Okay guys, thanks for tuning back in. So we had an email from a customer who has a 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class W205 chassis, which was driven with an AdBlue warning light and no top-up of AdBlue performed. So he was wanting to reset this. The car was no longer starting and he was in a bit of a pickle, so he needed a tool to actually reset the AdBlue and the number of starts. So we recommended to him the iCarSoft MB version 3, which he did go ahead and buy, and this was able to do the reset on his vehicle and then get it started again and reset all of the countdowns and things like that. So that's the MB version 3.0 tool. I will put the link to that kit in the description below this video. I suspect though there will be a lot of other people who are also in the same situation who kind of need a reset for their AdBlue on their Mercedes-Benz. So if you are interested, then of course the MB3 will do that. But if you wanted a tool that does everything that we've just talked about and covers other makes and models as well, then this is the iCarSoft CR Max, and this is what we recommend. So this tool here does everything that this tool will do, but for all makes and models, okay? And the CR Max has been a fantastic seller over the years. It's a really, really good tool, basically because it does a lot of what other tools will do at a much better, lower price. And of course, they both come with free lifetime updates, okay? So we do offer free UK delivery, worldwide delivery, same day dispatch on these. They are, of course, genuine and official products, and we will pop the link to both of these kits in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.